how to update WhatsApp to the latest version. By updating your WhatsApp, you'll be able to get the latest features, and also you'll be able to fix bugs and challenges that are related with WhatsApp. So if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel to support me. Now, updating your WhatsApp is quite simple. All you need to do is to go to App Store if you are using an iPhone, or Play Store if you are using Android smartphone. For my case, I'm using Android, and I'll show you using my Android smartphone. To get the latest version of WhatsApp, just go to Play Store and tap on it. And then look for the search option, which is here, and tap on it. Now you can search it from the top here. Go ahead and search for WhatsApp. And you can see our WhatsApp is here. If you go ahead and tap on it, we have two options to uninstall or open. But for your case, sometimes you might find this written update, and that is the feature you'll use to update your WhatsApp to the latest version. So go ahead and tap on update, and then this will go ahead and download the latest version of WhatsApp Messenger, and then it will be installed direct on your smartphone. Once it is installed, now you'll get the option or the function to go ahead and open it. So when you open it, you'll find now the latest version of WhatsApp installed on your smartphone, and it will be running smoothly. So that's how you get the latest version of WhatsApp, by updating your older version of WhatsApp Messenger. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this was helpful, kindly like the video and also subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.